What's up everybody, Alupului here from Raleigh Influencers, and in today's video we're going to talk about influencer marketing and how to leverage it for your brand. So there's two platforms at the moment that's really popular for influencer marketing, and that's going to be Facebook and Instagram. One of the most important things is finding an influencer that is specific to your brand message. The other thing to look at is the influencer's audience local or national? You really want to leverage an influencer and their community in a positive way that's related to your brand. And if you get them to talk about you once or twice, that's not going to really do much. You want them to consistently be talking about you months on end, because that's where you're going to see the best return of investment. Ideally, you wouldn't be paying for influencer marketing. Try to exchange a service or product for it. And if that doesn't work, then pay them, but negotiate. And don't go through agencies, because most likely what they're going to do is they're going to double it or triple it. Sure, it may charge you an arm and a leg, and it may not be worth it. But if you negotiate a long-term campaign with them, get them to post once a week for several months, then you'll see your return of investment. I recommend every B2C company try influencer marketing. For the B2B companies, it's going to be a little bit more strategic because you're going to need to find authoritative figures in that niche. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on influencer marketing, then hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.